Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Powools tire inflator, which we're calling the best wireless tire pump. Whether you're an avid cyclist, a motorcycle enthusiast, or just a car owner who's tired of dealing with flat tires, this portable air compressor is a game changer. The Powools tire inflator is a cordless, rechargeable air pump that delivers 150 psi of power, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. It's designed to inflate car tires, bike tires, and even sports balls with ease. The best part? It's incredibly portable and lightweight, weighing only 0.42 kilograms, which means you can take it with you wherever you go. With its powerful motor and high-performance chip, this tire inflator inflates your tires 3 times faster than most other models. In under a minute, you can go from 30 to 36 psi on a standard car tire, which can be a real lifesaver during emergencies. And, thanks to its built-in rechargeable batteries, you don't have to worry about finding an external power source. One full charge can inflate up to 2 car tires, 25 bike tires, or 60 balls, all while working continuously for 25 minutes. The Powools tire inflator comes with 4 different nozzles, allowing you to inflate everything from car and bike tires to basketballs and even inflatable pool toys. It also has an LED light built in, offering 3 modes: lighting, alarm, and SOS. This is especially handy if you find yourself in a low-light situation or need assistance on the road. Using the inflator couldn't be easier. With its large digital display, you can easily set the desired pressure and keep track of your tire's inflation. The Powools tire inflator also features an auto shut-off function, so once it reaches the preset pressure, it automatically stops to prevent overinflation. It's really that simple, just set it and let it do the work. One of the highlights of this product is the included Type-C charging cable, which makes recharging quick and easy. You can charge it in no time and get back to inflating without any hassle. Plus, the inflator comes with a storage bag, so you can keep everything neatly packed and ready to go when you need it. In summary, the Powools tire inflator is an excellent, reliable choice for anyone who wants a portable, fast, and efficient tire pump. It's powerful, easy to use, and compact, making it the ideal tool for both everyday use and emergency situations. So if you're tired of dealing with flat tires or you want to be prepared for anything, this tire inflator is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more product reviews. We'll see you next time.